Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make and sell Notion templates. Okay, so actually Etsy is a popular marketplace for creative and digital products, making it an excellent platform for selling Notion templates. And the majority of users make Notion templates for sharing with their families, coworkers, and other individuals, or for their own personal usage. But you can also make Notion templates that you can sell online to anybody. So first, you just have to go to notion.so, and then here you can log in if you have an account. If you don't have yet, then click this Get Notion for free. Now you have to enter your email address, or you can simply connect your Google account to create an account. So this is the interface of Notion. Now, to make or create a template, what you're going to do is to go to the left panel, scroll down, and you will see here at this settings. So first, you have to turn this one to dark mode because most of the people prefer the dark mode, but actually it's up to you if you want to use the light. Now scroll down, and here to start, what you're going to do is to click this Add a Page, and you will see this Untitled. You can now edit everything here, such as change the cover. So if you want to change your cover, you can simply go to the sites like Pinterest. You can even go to Canva and create your own cover on your Notion dashboard. Covers are indeed very important because, of course, it's a catchy thing to have a creative cover on your dashboard. Okay, so you can go to this site or you can go to Pinterest and you can go to Canva to create your own cover or make your own cover on your dashboard. Okay, so once you have found one, then you can either copy code or you can save this to your device or to your gallery. For example, this one. So if you like this, you just have to copy, go to your Notion, and then click this change cover here. Now you have options such as gallery, upload, link, and unsplash. So if you want to simply paste that code which I've copied earlier, so you just have to select this link and then paste. Also, if you want to change that, then you can simply go to upload and then import the picture that you have saved from Pinterest or from Canva. Let's just say this one, all you have to do is to save that. Okay, go to your Notion, upload file, and import that. Don't worry, you can change that anytime if you think that the quality is not good. For example, this one, I think it's not okay, so I had to change it. So this is what it looks like. I have saved another picture for my cover. Also, if I want to add an icon, I just have to click add icon and then change the icon here. Select something that is related to my project or to your dashboard or template, something like that. Okay. So here you can simply title this as task since you want to create a template or a website for something like weekly planner. Okay, I changed this to weekly planner. So you're going to create a template for weekly planner, which is what you're going to sell here on Etsy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you can start your template by adding a quotation or motivational quote. Okay, and then below to start, all you have to do is to type slash. Then you can add, for example, text, page, or you can even add here table view, okay, calendar view, and so on. Okay, so for the first one here, we are going to add columns because what we're going to put here is, the 7 days. Okay, so we have 7 days a week. So I just have to add 4 first so that, it's kind of hard to put 7 here. So we have to create 4 columns first for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now you can change or rearrange this one. But first, let's toggle this full width so that you can use the whole page. So we have here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, here you just have to click this 9 dots and you can add anything or you can change the color first, okay, so that it would be easier for you to identify which one is Monday, Tuesday. So just tap this 9 dots and then go to color and change the color. So to start again, you just have to click type slash and then, for example, we're going to add to-do list. Okay, so you can add, you just have to copy this one and paste. Okay, so let me add this. For Monday, we have to-do list. So now you can type something here like go to school, go to groceries, or whatever you like. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to top or tick this box right here. Now, what we're going to do is to copy this to Tuesday and then Wednesday and Thursday. If it's hard for you to do that, then you could just simply, type slash and then go to to-do list. And then you just have to do it each, okay, of the day of the week. So this is what it looks like. So we have here to-do list for our weekly planner. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to add below. Okay. So as you can see before that, anyways, you can also change the color here by tapping this 9 dots again, and then change the background color of each day. Okay, so we have here, tap this 9 dots, go to color, and then tap that color that you want to add to each of this day here. Now, we're going to copy this and then paste it below to add Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you just have to edit this Wednesday to Friday, Thursday to Saturday, and another one here to Sunday. Okay, and you can also change the color if you want. So suppose that I change that to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Another one here, if you want to add a table, for example, this one, all you have to do is to type slash and then go to table if you want to add something here like notes or whatever you. You can also add something here like habit tracker. Okay, everything is up to you, and change the color and also the color background, same as what we did earlier above. Okay, and then after that, if you want to add something like an image or something that can motivate you to, do a task or to surpass the day or whatsoever, you can simply add an image here that serves as our motivation or something that can uplift or encourage. So here I added this picture so that I will be motivated to do something today. This is like a weekly planner. It's like a reminder for me. Okay, you can include it to your template. And then after that, aside from adding picture, you can also add a new database. So all you have to do is to click this table view and then click new database. Here, you can also add to-do list, or if you want to change this, not to-do list, but if you want to change this into something like, for example, tasking or update, something like that. So you can just simply change everything here and then add something for your weekly planner. Okay, for example, this week you want to go to gym and then you want an update here, like what you're going to buy, what you're going to prepare. Or this week you're going to attend a birthday party and you want to jot down or list the things that you need to prepare. Okay, so everything is up to you. It's like a weekly planner, everything is here. Okay, so you can also add videos here. You can also add files. You can add link. Okay, you can add everything. All you have to do is to type slash and you just have to scroll down and add anything here you think is important or necessary to your template. Okay, now once you're done, then all you have to do is to save this one, copy, and then go to Etsy and sell this template. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.